Hi, Francisco. It's chaos with all these price rises. I explained that it's a big increase all of a sudden. He knows you've been a perfect tenant and, well, Mr. Alcázar isn't prepared to discuss the price. That's the law, I'm afraid. When you've taken your decision, whatever it is, just send me an email.
Keep going.
You can always come and stay with us.
Everyone cheers and shouts. Ha! Smoking, drinking, it's all yours. We all boo in unison.
I can't believe it, Paco. You're a bloody fool. Take my shotgun, Paco. It was our land. No pasarán.
No pasarán! No pasarán! No pasarán!
These 38 square meters, including the balcony, are my place in the world.
In the real world, everything is a lie.